12 weeks ago, we bought this property and kicked off a massive 160,000 renovation. But for weeks, the progress was nothing but painfully slow. So we have to fire our contractor. Then we brought in a new team, and in 2 weeks, they achieved an impossible. They completed a loft conversion, added 3 extra bedrooms and a staircase, and the house is unrecognizable. But trust me, the road here was anything but smooth. So stick around to see how we turn things around. You won't believe this transformation. Hi, I am Greta, and behind the camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. And this year we set ourselves a goal to buy 3 large investment properties, renovate them, and generate passive income. And we are super excited to take you on the journey with us. So now let's go inside and check out the progress. Now, as you can see, downstairs is packed with materials. So not much of a change happened yet downstairs. And our builders will install the en-suites next week. But some changes happened at the back of the property. So let me take you there. So nothing has changed in the kitchen yet, but we already have the plans and the layout for the kitchen. So our electrician and plumber knows where to install all the pipes and all the new sockets. However, the biggest change downstairs is we installed a skylight, and I can't be more happy about it because it adds so much light into the room and it adds a touch of luxury feeling here. Now let's head upstairs where all the new layout is formed. As you can see, it's all taking shape. So let me walk you through one of the first bedrooms that's been formed here. So it used to be a big bathroom behind this wall. So we created opening, and now this bedroom is gonna have its own ensuite here. And if you remember from the previous video, at the back of this hallway, we had a very small toilet room. So we gave a space from previous bathroom and we created this really nice and generous size off-suite for one of the smaller bedrooms. Now let me show you another 3 bedrooms that's been formed on this floor. So this is one of the bedrooms, and it's amazing size, and it's gonna have its own ensuite. And then the next door, we have a very similar size bedroom with this big bay window and its own ensuite here as well. And if you remember from the previous video, this was the smallest room in the house, but we actually managed to make it a super nice size as we borrowed some extra space from this bedroom and we added a bit of extra space from the hallway. So we can either put a wardrobe there or maybe create a built-in wardrobe. But in the end, this is going to be a really nice sized room. And this room will have the off-suite on the end of the hallway. We had electricians working on the first fix this whole week, running all the new cables throughout the property and creating a new wiring for the fire system. So we comply with all the HMO regulations. And now comes the most exciting part. So let's go. Welcome to the new floor. As you can see, the new staircase has been installed now. And when you walk up the staircase, the first thing you can notice is this beautiful skylight above that we installed for more natural light in the house. And this is the first bedroom in the loft. So this is where we added 3 additional bedrooms in the house. So this bedroom is really nice size. As you can see, all the boys started a new insulation, and we're still waiting for the windows to be installed. And this room is the second room in a house that it's gonna have off-suite instead of the en-suite, because we really didn't want it to cramp one here, and we thought the better way is to just install the off-suite down the hallway. So let me take you to the second bedroom. This here will be a second bedroom, is really nice size as well, and this one will have its own ensuite here, which is really great size as well. We did 2 ensuites back to back in this floor. Now let me take you to the third bedroom in this loft. And this is my favorite room in the whole house. So we installed this Velux window, and our builders created a new opening for the new window that's going to be installed here. So this will allow even more natural light in the room. And by the time it's going to be done, it's going to be super cozy, and it's going to have its own ensuite here. So I really like this room here. And this here will be the off-suite for the room at the back. As you can see, the progress in the last 3 weeks has been amazing. The loft was formed in less than 2 weeks. Our team changed the roof, and last week the boys concentrated on installing all the partition walls. We wouldn't have been at this stage if we would kept our previous contractor. It's been one of the hardest but one of the best decisions we made so far, because we couldn't afford to waste any more time here. So we moved our other contractor from the second project to prioritize this project, and the team really shined here. As you can see, every day brings its own new challenges, but it's part of the journey. We worked as well closely with our electrician to ensure all the sockets are in the right places, because what looks good on architectural drawings not always works in reality. So once the rooms are formed, the best way is to walk around to make sure that the layout makes sense and that all the sockets are in the correct position for the best furniture layout. So here we are, 12 weeks into this project, and we are thrilled with the progress. And if you would like to see how our architect helped to create us the floor plans for this project, check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.